Experiment to measure velocity. So we're using an air track. So remember, the two forces that we have to deal with are the force of gravity and the force of friction. We want to eliminate both. So the force of gravity we eliminate by having a horizontal air track, and we have leveling screws here if we need to level it. So the air track is horizontal. To make the to reduce friction, we use the air track, and the air track has holes in it, blow up air, so we have a cushion of air. So when we turn on the air track, okay, there's a cushion of air which reduces friction. You must mention the cushion of air. You must mention the cushion of air. Okay, so in this case we are using the light gates. So the light gate here, and we have a card on top of the rider. The card, we can measure the length of the card. That'll be our distance. Okay, and we can measure the time it takes to go through the light gate, because the light gate is quite simply connected to a timer, and the timer will tell us how long it takes from when it passes here, when the start of it goes into the light gate, to when the last part of the card goes out of the light gate. So so at the moment we have it ready. Okay, so all we do is we turn on the air track. We have no forces acting. We allow this to go at constant velocity, passes through the air, the light gate, out it goes. Check our time. Our time is 371 milliseconds. We can get the distance, which is the length of the card, which is 10 centimeters. So we have a time of 0.3 of a second. We have a distance of 0.1 of a meter. So it's gone 0.1 of a meter in 0.3 of a second. So it's going 1/3 of a meter per second, which seems pretty logical from what we had. That's how you measure velocity. That's it. Full stop.